The copy preset function is used to copy a preset from one slot into another. This is useful when a modified version of a preset is required while leaving the original preset unchanged. Consider a scenario in which two Sonare systems occupy a given space and one system requires additional equalization. Select the current preset, select a new slot in the lower field, and click the Copy button. Next, select the new preset from the preset list. Retitle the preset to indicate that it has been modified. The necessary adjustments can now be made to the new preset.